Complete the following equation. First is Cr2O7 2 negative plus 2OH negative. Second is MnO4 negative plus 4H positive plus 3 electrons. Second is account for the following. Zinc is not considered as a transition element. Second is transition metals form a larger number of complexes. Third is the E0 value for the Mn3 positive or Mn2 positive couple is much more positive than that for Cr3 positive or Cr2 positive couple. And another question is, with reference to structural variability and chemical reactivity, write the difference between lanthanoids and actinoids. Second is, name a member of the lanthanoid series which is well known to exhibit +4 oxidation state. Third is, complete the following equation, that is Mn4 negative plus 8 molecules of H plus 5 electrons. And fourth is, out of Mn3 positive and Cr3 positive, which is more paramagnetic and why? So first of all, completing the reaction, Cr2O7 2 negative plus 2 molecules of OH negative gives 2 molecules of CrO4 2 negative plus releases water, that is H2O, and MnO4 negative plus 4 molecules of hydrogen plus and 3 electrons give MnO2 plus 2 molecules of H2O, that is water. And zinc has fully d orbitals, that's why it is not considered as transition element. And second answer is, due to smaller ionic sizes, higher ionic charge and availability of d orbitals. And the third is, because Mn plus 2 is more stable than Mn3 positive, Cr plus 3 is more stable due to T2G3 or D3 configuration. And another question, difference between lanthanoids and actinoids are that atomic radii show much variation, that is +3 oxidation state. They exhibit +4 +5 +6 +7 also in actinoids. And in lanthanoids, radii does not show much variation, that is +3 is most common oxidation state. In few cases it is +2 and +4. The lanthanoids are quite reactive and the actinoids are highly reactive in finely divided state. And the second answer is cerium, that is Ce4 positive. Now completing the reaction, that MnO4 negative plus, it is the same reaction as given in the first question. Here, due to the 8 molecules of hydrogen plus and 3 electrons, it releases 4 molecules of H2 and gives Mn2 positive. And the third answer is that Mn3 positive is more paramagnetic because it has 4 unpaired electrons, therefore more paramagnetic, whereas Cr3 positive has 3 unpaired electrons. So that's why Mn3 positive has more paramagnetic.